it's Double O Dude, and yeah, I'm back at it again. Today, I'm going to go ahead and continue on with the patch that had started, do a little cleanup, and I figured I'd bring you guys along. Went ahead and took the seat out of the bus and pulled the door panel off just to see what I was getting into. Not horrible, but then I found this, which apparently somebody at one time thought it was a great idea to put fiberglass. Alright guys, what a damn mess. Yeah, thank you person that liked fiberglass that destroyed freaking this bus. I will slowly get you all taken off. But I got it all cleaned up. I mean, it's not horribly bad in here, so I mean there's going to be some places I still got to cut out, but yeah, that place, that's a mess. For a novice welder, yeah, that sucks, but I mean I got no choice but to get it done, so I'm going to figure out and make my way. But yeah, that's really cool. Figured I'd share that with you guys. It is smoking hot in Texas today. Yeah, it's like third day of fall or something, so I'm glad it's like only 93 instead of 97. But I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna complete up what I had started on the other side of the bus, and then we'll take on this other big hole that's in the bus, which sucks. On the other side of the bus, I got some grinding to do this morning because I boogered up pretty good this weld thing here, so I need to clean that up and verify everything. So yeah, that needs to be touched up and hit in, and just need to look and see if there's any other loose places. And I've ordered some seam sealer to go over it all, and then I've got some Rust-Oleum. After I get all of this all done, I'm going to paint the bottom of the inside of the bus with, and then get underneath it with a wire brush and do it all down there too. One thing I'd like to say is thank you to Harbor Freight for standing behind their 90-day return when that other grinder failed, because it really wasn't in the budget. That's why I ended up with a less expensive grinder in the first place. So, props to you. Appreciate it. Alright, so I've got that all ground down. Of course, there'll be seam sealer on there and it'll be puttied up and junk. I'm fixing to touch it up a little bit more, maybe hit some of these areas where there's vacancies, just to make it a little bit more stout. One of the things that I did do was I went and bought some more Lincoln wire. Get this Harbor Freight wire out of this thing and see if I have a little bit better luck when I'm welding this stuff. So we'll see how it goes. I'll throw a couple pictures of the patch panel and stuff, but yeah, this is if I can get light in here. Let me see if I can get light. There we go. Patch panel, patch panel, patch panel. So now I just need to do the jack point on it, but I want to put thicker metal there, so I'm going to wait to get some thicker gauge metal. And yeah, another step. We just got to get some seam sealer in here, deep clean this fender well, and you know, put some primer on it, and then, well, seam seal it, put some primer on it, and then paint it with something that's not going to rust, maybe some undercoating or something. But yeah, just another step. I know it probably wasn't that exciting of a video, but man, it's really hard to video and do this when you're just learning. For some reason, man, it's like you keep wanting to, I guess, not critique it, but you keep wanting to finesse it, and when you've got no finesse, it makes a mess. I think I should probably make a t-shirt of that. Alright, peace out.